Hey guys, welcome back to my Crafty Kirsty channel. It's been a while since I've posted, but I am planning videos for the next several weeks, once a week. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video, and give this video a thumbs up and comment and say hi. So today I'm going to be showing you the P-touch Embellish label printer. It also prints on tape and ribbons. The brand is Brother. This is backwards. Hold on, let me show you better. P-touch Embellish Brother at your side. So it can use ribbons and tape. There's the ribbon, there's some tape. It comes with includes gold print on white satin ribbon. So we're gonna open this up today and try it out. Okay, let's open this up, guys. This was a Christmas gift and I'm so super excited about it. Oh, it looks so nice. Right, directions and a cartridge for the ribbon that it comes with. 1 year limited warranty. Sweet. This is in a different language and I don't know what it says. It looks like it's stickers. Like you would put them on here. It comes with a list of, it says supplies and accessories guide. So it's just a guide of like the ribbons and stickers tape that you can use. Okay, this is the user guide. These are basic symbols that you can put on your ribbons. Fonts, initial marks. There are frames, more frames down here, continuous frames, so it would like go across the whole ribbon, and then patterns that you can use. So, okay, you open it up here, and you need batteries. God, I hope I have batteries. Let me go check. Okay, I almost didn't have batteries. I had to go take some out of the Amazon Fire TV remote, but I got some more. So it takes 6 AAA batteries. All right, let's put in these batteries. So you open it up here, and then the batteries go here. It turned on. Can y'all see it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off and I'm going to put the ribbon cartridge in there. The ribbon is very soft. Okay, so you can see, maybe you can see, can you see? Yes. There's a little like guide here of how to put the cartridge in. So it goes there. Okay, so let's do this. Let's turn it on. And I'm just going to put, let's do Crafty Kirsty. Oh, we want a capital. it's gonna do all caps. Okay, that's fine. Crafty Kirsty. Let's do a symbol. Okay. Brackets, arrows, units, fractions. What? Shapes. Let's do shapes. I want a heart. Is there a heart? There is a heart. Let's do a heart. Okay. So now preview. So then you can preview. And I'm gonna hit print. Copy is 1. Okay. Y'all, do you see that? And then you hit this little button, it's to cut it. So, what? Oh, it's not like straight, but maybe it's because it was just the first time. Look. It's really pretty. And it's not like wet or anything. I wonder how it prints it. Let's do another one. Let's see if this time it's straight. It is. So it's straight the second time. So I think just like the first go around, it wasn't like the ribbon wasn't straight in there, but this one's perfect. Y'all, that's so cool. Okay, so I actually have an order that I'm shipping off today. So I'm going to put thank you. How cute is that? I love this. All right, guys, I love this. I think it's so cool. I can't wait to get some tape and make some tape with it and label everything. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. When you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos. Coming up, I will be posting Cricut tutorials, and I have a sublimation printer that I'm gonna be unboxing as soon as I get my ink and paper. So make sure that you subscribe so you can see that.